I've spent 17 years in the trenches of the HVAC industry after getting my start as a nuclear power electrician. And if there is one thing I've learned, it's that the numbers on a spec sheet don't always tell the whole story of how a unit performs in the field. Today, we are putting two ducted split systems head to head to see which one actually earns its keep. In the red corner, we have the Direct Comfort GSXM4, and in the blue corner, the Fujitsu FOC14. Both of these are solid basic tier contenders, but as any Sparky will tell you, the devil is in the details of the build. When you look at the cabinet, the Direct Comfort brings a heavy-duty galvanized steel louvered coil guard to the fight. From a contractor's perspective, those louvers are your first line of defense against hail, stray rocks from the lawnmower, and the neighborhood kids. The Fujitsu, on the other hand, relies on the same style of louvered protection. This is a win for homeowners on both sides, as it prevents the delicate aluminum fins from being crushed, which would otherwise choke your airflow and kill your efficiency. On the technical side, we are looking at a 14.3 CR2 rating for the Direct Comfort versus a matched 14.3 CR2 on the Fujitsu. But here is where my electrical background kicks in. Both of these units use a standard single-stage scroll compressor. In the electrical world, we look at that as a simple, reliable motor. It doesn't have the fancy variable speed boards that can be sensitive to power surges, but it does hit the grid with a higher inrush current every time it kicks on. The Fujitsu runs a bit quieter at 70 dB compared to the Direct Comfort's 73 dB. Wow. But in a basic matchup, they are neck and neck on tech. Price-wise, the Direct Comfort is the budget-friendly heavyweight. You can find the condenser unit for an average retail price of around $1,700, with total installation typically landing between $3,500 and $5,500. The Fujitsu is positioned as a more premium entry unit, with the equipment costing closer to $2,100, and installed prices often reaching $5,000 to $8,000, depending on the local dealer network and labor rates. Before we get to the verdict, remember, the best AC in the world is only as good as the person who installs it. Keep your outdoor coils clear of cottonwood and debris. If that air can't move, your compressor is basically a high-priced space heater that's killing itself. Looking at the warranty, Direct Comfort offers a solid 10-year parts warranty. Fujitsu matches that 10-year parts coverage, but often requires a more rigorous dealer registration process to ensure you're fully backed. Neither of these models includes a unit replacement pledge in this tier, so you're looking at standard repair coverage across the board. The verdict is in. If you want a brand name with a slightly lower noise profile, the Fujitsu is a fine choice. But for the average homeowner's bottom line, the Direct Comfort GSXM4 is the winner. It is significantly cheaper to install, uses widely available parts that any tech can find on their truck, and provides the exact same efficiency and cabinet protection for thousands less. In the world of HVAC, sometimes the smartest move is the one that keeps the most money in your pocket. Shop like a pro by using our comparison tools on HVACforbeginners.com. This is the HVAC Repair Guy, signing off.